Today video I'm gonna show you how to fix a speaker problem on your iPhone Air. For some reason the speaker isn't loud enough and sometimes it doesn't work. And here is a quick fix. It is very easy. All you have to do is just go into setting and then scroll down a bit. You're gonna go into sound and haptic. Under sound and haptic you can like swipe this all the way up, something like that. And to let you know that for the iPhone Air, it has only speaker on the top here. So at the bottom, it's just a microphone. One more thing, you need to also check on control center. So if you see the silent mode is enabled, you need to also disable it by click on it. And now silent mode is off. So whenever someone calls you, it will ring again. And sometimes it also related to phone. So you need to go to phone here. And then under phone here, you need to make sure you turn off silent unknown caller. So this option must be turned off and unknown caller here must be turned off. And whenever someone calls you, it will ring again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.